Please be advised of the disclaimers.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Pinnacle Trading here, and today I want to talk about the stock Tesla. The ticker for that is TSLA, and why it's best to stay away from it, at least for temporary, for the next couple months. It's best to stay away from the stock. We've seen it oversold, but I'll show you why I took profits on that. I made a previous video about 2 weeks ago. Is Tesla a good buy? I took profits on that and deleted it off my watch list, and I'll show you why. Before we get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated on all my future videos. So let's jump into it. So Tesla, this is stock right here. Friday, it dropped almost 10 points, maybe a little bit more into the after hours. It kept falling. So what happened? Looking at the news, we've seen there was more car fires, and Tesla stock fell about 8% after the reports of what happened, and the autopilot, there was another crash as well, and there were some fire issues. So looking at that, they're not doing so well this year, same with the past 3 years. So let's look at the max chart and let's see what's going on. So we see nice growth from before 2014 all the way up till 2017. It's been about sideways, and what happened after that did make that huge jump in 2017 to 2018, and it's just been sideways and on a huge downtrend since December of 2018. We've seen it come down all the way, get rejected off the 50 SMA. It's below 200 SMA as well, so it's getting rejected off of this line, this blue line, that's 50 SMA right there, and it's just been way oversold. So looking at the Fibonacci chart on this one, so once that loads up, we can see that it's on the max chart. We can see it's breaking that support right here. Let's zoom out a little bit on this one. Let's look at the 1 year chart. So you can see it's all the way down at 0% retracement. So being that this is upside down, we're seeing 100% at the top, which means it broke all supports. It's basically in no man's land right now. There's really no saying where it's gonna go. I did read an article about where next support is gonna be. That's gonna be at 200, and the next big support all the way down at 185. So that's why it's best to just stay away from the stock right now. You know, let it do its thing, and let's see what happens with that. But I think anywhere below 200 is gonna be a pretty solid buy. At least for a small position, and let's see if it tests that lows of right here, 175. See pretty solid support all the way down at 175, 180, all the way at 2017 lows. So let's see what happens, but I'm looking for this to break 200. You can see my alert, I set it at 200 right there, and there's a lot better stocks you can buy other than this. You can buy S&P 500 or Apple, Google, Netflix, even the other FANG stocks are going to be a lot better than this one. So looking at this, I suggest people to stay away from the stock right now since it's breaking all the supports. Again, I'm in no position to be a financial advisor, but for now, I would suggest people to just stay away from the stock and wait for it to break that 200 support, see if it comes down to 175. Anywhere between there, I might take a very small position, and once it starts curling back up, once a company has some set plan for the future, then I'll look to get back in. So that is my take on Tesla and why I'm staying away from it for now, waiting for it to break that 200 support. And if this video helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on all my future videos. And if you want to receive alerts like these, my long-term investment alerts, such as Tesla, Boeing, or S&P 500, where I'm buying and selling on positions, where I'm staying in cash, make sure to head over to my website. That's pinnacletrading.us. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can get a 1-week free trial of the premium chat room where we have the alerts and such. And if you want to join the membership immediately to get all the benefits immediately, I have a simple month-to-month plan pricing and also 6 to 12 month pricing, and also do teach traders and investors from basic to advanced strategies in my mentorship plan, which you can grab 1 hour or 4 hours or 4 sessions for the price of 3 for the discount and the gold package.